Gentlemen, we welcome our eminent presenter, the Miki Granski, Technology and Business Development in Expecht, a senior executive and entrepreneur with proven track record in leadership roles and international experience in management of high-tech companies. He has BSc and MSc cum laude in electrical engineering and computer science from Technion Israel Institute of Technology in 1981 and 1984, an MBA from the Kellogg School of Business Administration, Northwestern University in 2000. Between 1982 and 2002, Mr. Mickey took part and led many engineering projects, mostly in the semiconductor industry. These included the first single-chip digital camera and AC3 audio codec, while in Zoran later, he has established the engineering subsidiaries of LSI Logic and NeoMagic in Israel. Between 2003 and 2016, was involved in high-tech investments, most recently as a partner in Coral Group. In that role, he focused on supporting startups with business development and introduction of novel technologies. He has successfully started and grew several technological operations and companies in diverse markets, mostly in telecommunications and internet. He joined Inxpect in 2017 and has directed the development of new technology initiatives and their business development activities since then.
First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity. I'm delighted to take part in Rail Technology Expo 2021 and present Inxpect's view on safety in the railway ecosystem. What we do, we focus on safety for industrial and robotic markets. And this is very relevant to the railway ecosystem. We do not provide safety for trains that move on high speed on the tracks, but everywhere else, starting with the manufacturing and assembly lines, whether you manufacture wagons, engines, parts, whatever. Moving on to railway workshops and maintenance hubs, wherever you provide service to locomotives, rolling stocks, whatever. And also the case of train and metro stations, where you would want to have a warning from unauthorized entry to restricted area and preventing injuries, fatalities for passengers. So what we do actually, we provide radar sensors, and we have actually redefined the human-machine interface based on radar sensors, on smart radar sensors that enable for the first time people and machine to work together at full speed and at full safety. Why have we selected radar technology? Simply because it works where optical sensors and other technologies fail. Radars is not affected by excessive light, debris, smoke, fluids, rain, smoke, winds, dust. It works reliably in all weather and all such conditions. Our systems actually provide safe collaboration between machines and operators, and it is the first system to be certified for industrial safety. We provide two main safety functions. The first is access detection, which means that our sensors can detect any entry to restricted area and provide warning that can automatically result in the machine stopping or slowing down, whichever is appropriate to the case. The second important safety functions that we provide, we call it restart prevention, It is an unfortunate situation that occurs where someone is providing service for a machine, and for some reason, by mistake, the machine is being restarted, although some servicemen are still in the area. Our sensors can prevent that and saves lives. Here are some examples relevant to railway ecosystem. What you see here is indoor and outdoor mobile wagons on rails, and sensors can detect any obstacle on the way. Here is how it looks in reality in a workshop and factory line. On the right side, you can see the yellow cart with our blue rectangular sensor attached to the front of it, and it can detect any obstacle on the way. Same on the left picture on the lower right part of the yellow cart, there is this sensor. What you see here is another example where 3 sensors are located at the bottom rear of this mobile wagon on rail. And on the graphics to the right side, you can see how it provides an area of detection for the operation itself. In this example, you can see our sensors employed on the outdoor gantry crane. And again, it can detect any obstacle to the movement of the crane and prevent a collision. In this example, you can see a sheet metal working machine by Salvagnini. Salvagnini is a world leader in such machines. It has presence also in India, in Bangalore. And this particular very large machine bend metal sheets in the inner chamber. However, it requires an operator to be in front of it to control the operation. And you can see to the right a monitor that is being used by the operator. Now, the trick here is that you have to extend the monitor like is shown here to allow the operator to work safely while the machine is bending sheet metals. But you want the 3 sensors that are attached to the upper side of the machine to detect anyone who will approach to the dangerous area and immediately stop the machine. So all of these are examples of what we can provide for the manufacturing and the maintenance worlds. And before I move on, I would like to share with you a video, very short one, with our vision for the future of such collaboration.
In industrial environments, fences protect humans from robots. But they also constrain space. Fences that become cages, restricting motion, limiting productivity, preventing any interaction between man and machine. Imagine a world where any obstacles to human-robot collaboration can be safely overcome. Imagine removing the distance between tools and operators in full safety. Imagine Inxpect.
I would like to conclude with how we can collaborate with the railway ecosystem to provide our solutions. First of all, to note that several studies show that with improved safety, you can save significant floor space by removing cages and fences, increase automation and flexibility, and in some cases increase productivity dramatically in manufacturing, service operations, and so forth. The way that we operate worldwide, we have already installed our sensors in more than 700 different locations and facilities. We collaborate with 3 world leaders in industrial automation, worldwide integrators. We also have collaborations with more than 10 global players in security and robotics. And our sensors are protected with more than 18 families of patents. This is very shortly our go-to-market. We can offer 2 main routes. One is retrofit, where we collaborate with either integrators of safety products or even end users and customers such as Salvagnini or railway operators to install our systems in their sites. That is the route shown on the left. And on the right, the other route is by embedding our sensors directly with world-leading robot manufacturers. I'm talking about companies such as Fanuc, Yaskawa, IBB, and the like. So we are open and eager to bring the revolution of safety to railway operations. If you have any idea how you can improve the safety and operations of your companies, please be in touch with us. Thank you very much.